Are you a foreigner living in South Africa? Are you a foreigner living in Nigeria? Are you a foreigner living in Zimbabwe? If you are an African living in the foreign land, guys, make sure you get your Christmas gift. Do you know about that Christmas gift? You know, December is a month of celebration. And me, I was born in December. The president of South Africa and the president of Nigeria actually decide to give to their compatriot living in the both country a Christmas gift. You may be asking me, what is that Christmas gift? That Christmas gift is very important. If you are living in the foreign land, if you are living in Zimbabwe, if you are living in Nigeria, if you are living in South Africa, if you are a South African, if you are a Nigerian, if you are Zimbabwe, this is your Christmas gift.
We look forward to seeing more Nigerian companies investing in South Africa. In fact, we want to see Nigerian products on the shelves of South African shops. Our efforts to create a favorable environment include our simplified visa process for Nigerian business people to travel to South Africa. Qualifying Nigerian business people can be granted a 5-year multiple entry visa. In addition, tourists from Nigeria are now able to apply for a visa without even submitting a passport. We want to enable investors to promote and operate their businesses.
We have to say thank you, God. We have to say thank you to the two presidents, the president of Nigeria and the president of South Africa. Zimbabwe exemption permit will be renewed for 2025. This is another good news, another Christmas gift the Minister of Home Affairs have given to all Zimbabwe living in South Africa. If you are a businessman from Nigeria, as long as you are qualified as a businessman from Nigeria, you can now apply. You can now apply for a visa to South Africa in the easy mode. You can now apply for a business visa on easy mode. 5 years multiple entry in your passport, in your Nigerian passport. You can apply it on easy mode, meaning that you can even apply without a passport. Imagine the giant of Africa in population. Imagine the giant of Africa in terms of economic. I'm not an economist. If South Africa can expose themselves to more than 230 million people, we actually going to be doing good business. So that's why Cyril Ramaphosa and the president of Nigeria have decided to make it easy to their compatriots to visit both countries. The same as it's easy to Nigerian to visit South Africa, it will be easy to a South African to visit Nigeria. Why MTN went to Nigeria? Of course, because there's a population. The population of more than 230 million who consume the product of MTN, and MTN being a South African company will make a lot of profit. If you are a businessman in South Africa and then you expose your product, your service to 230 million people in Nigeria, of course you'll be making more money. If many people knows you, you stand a way of doing good business. But if little people knows you, you may not make proper business. So I advise you, if you are a South African businessman, it's time now to use this opportunity to go to Nigeria and expose your business. And then if you are a Nigerian living in Nigeria, you got more opportunity to expose your service and your business to South African population. So the same way Nigerian going to expose their service and their business to South African population will be exposing their business and their service to Nigerian population. Guys, if you love what we are doing in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe and like the channel. I was just walking and then I decided to pass the news to you guys. So what's your name? MC. a South African living in Nigeria, or for the two nations, if you are a South African, if you are a Nigerian, if you are a Zimbabwean, the business relationship become good for 2025. The fact that the Minister of Home Affairs have decided all the Zimbabwean who was having this Zimbabwean exemption permit, they have opportunity to renew their visa, their permit for 2025. In another hand, on the arrival of the President of Nigeria in South Africa, together with the President of South Africa, they get to conclusion that now on a Nigerian can come to South Africa as a visitor on easy mode, meaning that you can apply your visa without even submit your passport. As a businessman, you can also visit South Africa for a business trip in 5 years, multiple visa. Notice, Elon Musk, which is a South African born, actually today is an American, and then he's going to be a minister on the regime of Trump's. Can you imagine? It's only 2 years that Elon Musk is American. It's only two years that Elon Musk actually naturalized himself as an American, and now he's going to be a minister in America. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.
African in the diaspora, thank you for your endless support. I will never take it for granted. If you just discover me now, be part of the family. Like the video, subscribe and share the video. Don't forget to wish me happy birthday on the 18th December. I love you all. Goodbye.